Halo teman-teman, jadi hari ini aku mau adventure lagi. Ya tahun kemarin sih adventure juga, tapi ini adventure tahun kedua gitu. Terus sekarang udah di stasiun Gerbang.
Aku ceritakan nanti.
Aku liatin aja.
Hey cantik, kemana saja? Tak ada berita, sedikit cerita. Tak ku baca lagi pesan di ujung malam. Dan Jakarta
Udah nyampe. Di mana? Di stasiun loh.
lagi sama. Sudah saatnya kau tengok bumi yang
Siapa ya? Tukang ojek naik haji ya. Orang udah makan duluan.
masih selalu nanti. Terbawalah di langkahku ke sana. Langkah apa entah yang istimewa. Ku percaya selalu ada sesuatu di Jogja. Dengan lagu lama ini katanya izinkan aku pulang ke kotamu. Ku percaya selalu ada sesuatu di Jogja.
Sekarang kita mau ke Museum Batik duluan. Panas banget. Halo. Jadi kita lagi nunggu ojek ya, nanti aku foto Joko di sana. Dadah.
Darling, don't move too much, 'cause you might break the things that you have touched. But let me tell you, don't go too far, and just enjoy this artistic homage.
Halo.
This empty canvas that they misunderstood. I don't wanna paint you in it, but I'm not good, 'cause I wanna look so don't be scared, 'cause even if I look everywhere, your colors caught my eye and you're my favorite sight to see. It's from the way that you move and everything that you do, and after that it's when I realize that I love you. Told me to look everywhere else, but I said no, 'cause when I look at you my heart always melts. So I stay even though you're a mess, 'cause you're like drugs and with you, yeah, I'm obsessed. So darling, don't be scared, 'cause even if I look everywhere, your colors caught my eye and you're my favorite sight to see. It's from the way that you move and everything that you do, and after that it's when I realize that I love you. Don't be scared, 'cause even if I look everywhere, your colors caught my eye and you're my favorite sight to see.
Oh teman-teman, jadi sekarang kita mau ke Gua Pindul. Ini udah bawa barang-barang banyak banget.
Full of stars, I'm gonna give you my heart, 'cause you're a sky full of stars, 'cause you light up the path.
Udah tau guys. Ya, halo.
I can't go
3